Hi everyone, this is another audio-reactive image filter component made in touchdesigner. I'll walk you through how to use this component, what different parameters you can modify, and how it works with different images and audio files. You can find this component available for download in my Patreon for any commercial usage. And once you got this component, you open the palette and go to your component. You just drag it onto the panel here. Once you need to use it again, you just drag it out and reuse it in the future. Alright, now we check at the parameters panel. The first parameters is the fit method. It helps you to work with different image orientation, both vertical and horizontal ones. You might need to try out different fits method to fill out the whole space properly. So for example, this one is more vertical, and then in here you just change the component fit method to fit horizontal, then you won't see the space. And for example, if I change these to fit vertical, then you will see the space, and then you will need to just change back to horizontal. And the next one is the resolution. In here, you can set out the output resolution you want for the visuals. An important note here is the final video quality will heavily depends on the media input quality you have in the beginning. So if you're using low resolution image, the final output will be enlarged without the quality being improved. However, I think the pixel sorting filter is a great way to work with low resolution images. As you can see in this case, the visual actually looks quite nice. Next, the period parameter lets you slice the image to, if you go lower, it will have more slices, have the slit scan effect. And then you go higher, it will be more spaced out. And the displacement, manage the displacement weight. The second one controls the displacement height. And the first one controls the displacement horizontal for the left one, and then the zooming of the left image, and this is the same just for the right image. And at a certain point, you modify the parameters too much, it doesn't look nice anymore. You can always right click to reset the custom parameters. I set the default value intentional. I think it works well for a lot of images. Working with different audios, I will show you now. So for example, if I change to another audio, and if you feel like this is moving too fast, you can also change the LF over here. Now I'm using the high to drive it. If it's too fast, you can turn it down a bit so it will move slowly. So for example, this is more slow, way more faster. If you want the exact project files, remix ready templates, and commercial use assets, they're all on my Patreon. Download and project notes included, so you can remix faster and focus on what you do best. And support me to create more visual assets for you. See you next time!